This is Tanya. I teach CBSE 10th Maths. This is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, Exercise 8.4, 5th question. Alright, now let's read the question. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta and cosecant theta. Okay, so here now this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, so we are supposed to show that we get this value in when we solve this tan theta by 1 minus cot theta and plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Okay, when we will solve this now we have to get these values. Alright, it's literally easy. First we have to apply the formula. So tan theta formula is sin theta divided by cos theta, isn't it? This is the tan theta formula, isn't it? So tan theta we wrote it and divided by we have 1 minus cot theta. Cot theta formula is cos theta divided by sin theta, and then plus we have cot theta. Cot theta formula is cos theta divided by sin theta, and then divided by 1 minus tan theta. So 1 minus 1 minus tan theta. The formula for tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so here what we can do is, so here nothing is there means divided by 1. Here also nothing is there means divided by 1. So now we can actually take LCM here. Okay, first let's write sin theta by cos theta as it is and divided by, so when I just take LCM here I'll get sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, and then here plus, and let's write this as it is, that is cos theta divided by sin theta and then divided by, so here also we are supposed to take LCM. So when we just take LCM we will get cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, okay guys, so I just wrote it as it is right over here. So now how to solve it further? It's literally easy. So just write is equal to, and here we have sin theta divided by cos theta and divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta, isn't it? So here this portion I am going to take it as reciprocal. Okay, here also I am going to take this as reciprocal. Okay, okay, let us take reciprocal now. So when we take reciprocal, I'll write it here. Okay, so when we just take reciprocal, this sin theta will come up, so it will become into sin theta divided by cos theta. So this cos theta as it is, and then bracket sin theta, bracket means into, okay, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, we'll get something like this, isn't it, when we just take reciprocal. So similarly here also it will happen like that. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to take directly, this is for your understanding. Okay, so when we just take reciprocal we'll get, so sin theta into sin theta, it is sin square theta divided by cos theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, and then plus as it is. So here when we just take reciprocal, here we have cos theta and here we have cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta divided by sin theta bracket cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, we'll have something like this. Okay guys, so now till here we solved it, right? So here you're supposed to focus. Okay, you're supposed to focus a lot. Why? Because here you might get confusion. Okay, alright, so first when you just check it out, I can actually take LCM between these two values. I can actually take LCM, isn't it? But here when you just check it out, we have cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Here we have sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So you see the value here. So here sin theta is first and here cos theta is first, isn't it? So that is, it will be complicated for taking LCM. So what I am going to do is I am going to take minus as common. Okay. So you are supposed to focus here. Okay, please focus guys. Why? Because you might get confused here. Okay, so now let me just write is equal to sin square theta, and this one as it is. Okay, I'll just write it as it is, that is cos theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, after writing it as it is, so here no, we have plus, isn't it? I just told you let us take minus as common. Why? Why? Because when we just take it as common only, it will be easy to do LCM. Okay, so let's take minus common. Okay, and then let's write cos square theta as it is, and then divided by, we have sin theta and bracket cos theta minus sin theta, isn't it? So here since I took the minus as common, first let's write the sin theta as it is. Okay, just because I took minus as common, no, here instead of writing cos theta, I will write sin theta and then minus cos theta. Okay, I hope you guys can understand this, isn't it? So now when you just check it out, these two values, they are exactly similar, isn't it? First it was collapsed, isn't it? Here it was sin theta minus cos theta, but here it was cos theta minus sin theta. So just because I took minus as common, now they both are same. So it is literally easy to take LCM. Okay, alright. So now let us take LCM. Alright. So if you have doubt in this, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll just explain detailing in that. Okay. So be careful while doing these stuffs and all. Why? Because in examination you might commit mistake mostly here only. Okay, and that too, this question is really important. Okay, most probably they might ask like this type of question in exam. So please try do this sum again and again. Okay, all right. So now when we just take LCM, I'll get cos theta sin theta. When I just take LCM here, okay, sin theta and bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, and then here when I just take LCM, I'll get sin cube theta. I'll get sin cube theta and then minus cos cube theta. You can just take LCM, check it out. Of course, whatever I am doing, no, the LCM is correct only. So if you have any doubt, you can just try again and check it out. Okay, whether it's correct or not, but it is correct only. Okay, all right. So we got like this value. So here, since we have sin cube theta and since we have cos cube theta, I can actually apply a formula here. Okay, so I'll just show that. Okay guys, I just wrote it as it is. So what was the formula I was talking about? So since we have cube here, I can apply a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b and then a square plus b square plus 2, no, 2 will not come, so ab. Okay, I'm sorry. Why? Because I'm not used to this formula. Okay, why? Because this is the first time we are applying this formula in this chapter, right? So this is the formula. Okay, please learn this formula. You might face like this type of formulas in exam as well. Okay, this is not a formula, this is an identity, isn't it? Okay, so please guys learn this identity. Okay, so here it is the continuation. Okay, don't get confused, it is a continuation. Okay, so now I'm going to apply that for sin cube theta as well as for cos cube theta. Okay, so here it is a, so it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. This is a and this is b. Okay, so is equal to, so a minus b, so sin a is sin, so sin theta minus cos theta, we have bracket, so bracket, and then we have bracket and a square, a is sin, so sin square theta and then plus b square is cos, so cos square theta and then plus a into b, so a is sin theta and a into b, right? So sin theta into cos theta. and close the bracket. Okay, so sin theta, here it is in the multiplication form. Okay, and then you can write divided by, okay, divided by this one. Okay, I'm just writing it bigger. Okay, don't just think that wow it's so big, don't just think like that, it is literally easy. Okay, all right, so cos theta, this one as it is. Okay, cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. All right, so now what we are supposed to do? So now we are supposed to use the identities, those stuffs and all. Okay, all right, so now what we are supposed to do is, now when you just check it out, no, one second, here also we can put bracket, it will be much more better. Okay, so here when you just check it out, everything is in a multiplication form, isn't it? So here if I just don't put bracket also, here we have bracket, that means it is multiplication anyways. So everything is in multiplication. So when you just check it out carefully, here we have sin theta minus cos theta, here also we have sin theta minus cos theta. So we can actually cancel it, isn't it? So cancel. Okay, after cancelling it, what are the left out values? I have sin square theta plus cos square theta and then plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, so here I can actually apply one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is the identity. Okay, I can actually apply that. So here divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, so when I just apply that identity, I'll get 1. So here I should apply, I'll get 1 and then plus sin theta cos theta. So and divided by cos theta sin theta. Alright, so now what we can do, so now, okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna separate the value. So how to separate the values? It is literally easy guys, believe me. So here we have like this, no, so I'm gonna separate as 1 divided by cos theta sin theta and then plus and this value sin theta. So here I have plus, right, I'm gonna write the plus this side, like that I'm gonna separate it. Okay, so sin theta and cos theta. Okay, and then divided by, since we are separating it here, which denominator we have now, we have to write the denominator as it is, that is cos theta sin theta. Okay, all right, so now we got like this value. So here we can actually cancel it, they both have same value, so we can actually cancel it. So now what we got is, we got is equal to 1 by cos theta and sin theta, isn't it? We got like this value. Okay, so the plus is also important. Why? Because signs are really important. Okay, so here 1 as it is. Okay, and then plus, so here the reciprocal of 1 by cos theta is, I'll get the value that is secant theta. Okay, and then I'll get, so here and then we have 1 by sin theta. So the value for 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. So you guys might be wondering how. Okay, I'll just teach you. So how means, so we have, so here we wrote this one as it is. Okay, and then this plus as it is. Okay, so here we have cos theta, so 1 second, 1 into sin theta, isn't it? So here nothing is there means 1, right? Nothing is there means 1. So when we just take reciprocal, we'll get 1 by cos theta, and then here when we just take reciprocal, we'll get 1 by sin theta, isn't it? So 1 by cos theta value is secant theta, and into we can write point. So 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. Okay, so like this only I got secant theta and cosecant theta, but the only thing is I just wrote the 1 as it is, and even the plus I wrote it as it is. Okay, alright, so this is what we are supposed to prove, isn't it? 1 second. So this is what we are supposed to prove, like 1 plus secant theta and cosecant theta, isn't it? Okay, so here nothing is there means multiply, everyone knows that. So we got the same value. Okay, so finally we proved it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.